How to enable Gemini AI on Samsung or Android phones. So if you want to enable the Gemini AI on Samsung or any other Android phones, then first you need to open up your Google application. Once you open, now go with the profile, which is on the upper right, and then scroll down, tap on settings. Under settings, you need to go with the Google Assistant option. Under Google Assistant, you need to make sure that you have turned off the Google Assistant. So go with Hey Google and voice match, and here you need to turn that off. Once you turn Hey Google off, now you can simply go back and then tap on Gemini. And once you tap on Gemini, now you just need to simply go with switch, which is on the bottom right, and then scroll down, tap on use Gemini, and that's all. Now we can use Gemini, or we've enabled the Gemini AI on Samsung phones or any other Android devices. So you can simply choose Gemini for your public links or languages or screen context, Gemini on lock screen and everything. Now this is replaced by Google Assistant. So that's how you enable your Gemini AI. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.